these are some of the tools that I use during the print process to actually help with the quality of prints and whatnot. Obviously, you've got your snips for cutting your filament. I really like this set. I'll leave a link to this for you guys in the description. I think these are just been really great, and they're pretty cheap. They're available, yeah, and they've got kind of that spring action that I really like. And then a pair of pliers for pulling filament or pulling specific pieces off the board, or just kind of repairing your machine. These also have that spring action that I really like. This scraper that I printed myself, this one's been really awesome. It's actually lasted quite a long time. The edge is finally given out, so I may have to print a new one or at least sharpen this edge. What I really like about this one is it allows me to put all my weight down and actually scrape the surface with my entire weight, so that I'll put the plate on the floor, on like a hardwood floor, and then I'll just scrape off with this, and it's been really great to have. And then a not so powerful version that I've bought that is basically a plastic blade. So this won't scratch anything, and it doesn't really cut, but it's a super nice replaceable blade. It came with like 50 of these, I think, and that super nice handle. I do really like this tool. It's really good for being able to scrape surfaces without scratching them. And then lastly, these comically large pair of, what do you call these? Like chopstick style clippers, or I forget what they're called. Anyway, they're super long, so it's really nice to be able to like reach your printer head all the way from the inside of your printer. So these can reach the very back of my P1S just from the front, and I can pull off a piece of filament that maybe was just getting in the way or something like that. So these have been really nice. I'll try to leave a link to these as well for you guys in the description. So these are all the tools that I essentially use during the print process, and they're pretty indispensable. I mean, if you want to be able to kind of clean up your prints during that process and also service the machine, these are pretty necessary in my eyes.